Okay, tonight we're having a nice cozy night in because look at the weather. It's literally so good. We're having a movie night tonight. It's gonna be so fun. We literally never have movie nights because for some reason Danny does not like to watch films. We're also gonna bake. I was under the impression that we were gonna be baking snacks for a movie night. However, Danny wants to bake bread, so it's not gonna be the best cinema snack. And we'll see what else we're doing. I don't really know yet, but it's gonna be a nice cozy night. Also, I've got no makeup on and I'm wearing comfy clothes because obviously why would I, thank you, why would I put on nice clothes to have a movie night?
Hello!
That just completely ruins the experience. Okay, we're starting to make our bread now. I'm actually quite worried I'm not gonna like this because I don't like homemade bread. No, because Mum's made it before and I haven't really liked it. Not gonna lie. Bit fussy with my bread. So what are we making today? White crusty bread?
Yeah.
It's just absolutely not paying attention to the vlog. How weird is this? Also, I don't know if I should like properly take you through and like tell you the ingredients and all that. What do you think, Danny?
Yeah, why not?
Okay, so this can be a nice
said, so.
What you need to make this bread is you need some bread flour. Is that bread flour? I don't know. Maybe the thing. Sugar, salt, water,
This is only 7 grams.
cornmeal. Do we have cornmeal?
I don't know what cornmeal is.
Yeah, I don't know what that is either. And yeast, which is very hard to find right now. We actually found a packet. It's actually sacred right now, so we're kind of blessed for finding that.
Oh, this is a nightmare. Oh, there's a hole in my baggie. Ah!
So Danny's currently kneading the dough. I'm eating the bagel.
Dense, I think it's quite dense.
Good?
It tastes like a pretzel. How much salt do we put in this?
A lot. It had so much salt in there. Can I try? Oh my god, that's so salty. It's good. Bread just came out the oven.
It's really good, but
I really like it. It's very salty. However, we just discovered that we actually put in
2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons of salt instead of 2 teaspoons.
We also did 2 tablespoons of yeast though, so surely that should balance each other out.
What did we put 2 tablespoons of yeast instead of teaspoons?
Yeah. But surely that would just make it go flying, but it really hasn't. Do you know what it needs jam?
I like it though, it tastes like a pretzel. Okay, we're gonna watch a movie now. So excited. Also, I'm really sorry.
Has everyone ever noticed Juliet does that?
At how bad I've looked in this video. Also, look at this LinkedIn. I look so bad. Yeah.
So, weird shit. No, it's like, that's what it is. It's like, na 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 na.
No, I don't. Yeah, I've looked really bad in this video, but it's fine because it's a chill night. Nobody dresses
Julia,
up
why
for
have you
that.
gone red?
I haven't.
Yeah, yeah.
No, I haven't.
You embarrassed or something?
Still not. We're gonna get some snacks for a movie. What movie are we watching tonight?
You take the tea bags.
I don't
Right,
want
we'll just add water to this, will we? 160, should put it strong.
Here are our options. Oh, I don't like Smarties. Sorry.
There was not buttons. Oh,
Yeah, there were.
I hided the buttons.
Yeah, you did. There we are. Yes, the chocolate buttons.
Some dip for them.
Yeah. You don't sound like there's many left. Oh, that's nothing.
The oil. We can make up the worst snack imaginable. Then we'll have hot chocolate out. Or we can have the marshmallow milk.
Oh yeah, do you want to do that? We can show everyone how to make that.
The marshmallow milk.
Well, it's not difficult, but...
You crinkle beetroot, Gwen.
Why you putting that on?
Just because that's what YouTubers do.
Oh, should we put everything in a nice bowl and make it look nice? I think we should.
Right. She's got to guess the flavour, hasn't she? Quite tasty beer, actually. Hold on, you're not in focus.
Am I focused now?
No.
Am I focused now?
You were zoomed in, that's why.
Oh, am I focused now?
Almost.
the heat beer.
I think it's really obvious. No, not obvious, it's a really strong and powerful flavour.
Oh my god, I can't breathe.
I'm drunk.
It smells fruity.
Fruity.
Is it fruit, right?
Yeah.
Is it citrusy?
It's a citrus fruit.
Is it an orange?
No.
Is it like clementine or something like that? It's not lemon. It's not lime. What other citrus fruit is it? Grapefruit?
Yeah. And
Don't like it.
remember,
For our snacks, we decided on some Pringles. What flavour are these? Sour cream and...
the best
what are they
flavour,
called?
and I'll think you're wrong.
Sour cream and onion.
Sorry, is it sour cream and chive or sour cream and onion? I never know, I think it's onion.
I'm not sure. Some chocolate buttons and some strawberries. And Danny has a beer and I have a glass of apple juice. So what are we watching today?
No Country for Old Men.
And what's this about? Because I don't
It's
actually
about
really know.
a crime spree in southern United States.
Well, see, I'm hoping it's good because I don't like cowboy films.
It's not a cowboy film.
You told me it was a western.
It's set in like the Wild West. I think it's Texas. It's set.
But it's not actually got cowboys
No.
in it. Are you sure?
It's police.
So they're not cowboys.
I think
It's
they might
like-
have a hat because they're in Texas, but
Do people actually wear cowboy hats? in
yeah,
Texas? Should we just put on another episode of Real Housewives?
yeah.
I think he's pretty proud of that. No, I don't.
He was the one that was in.
Some of the old time sheriffs never even wore a gun. I always like to hear.
It's 2 in the morning now. Our movie night is over. We actually turned the movie off before it finished. I wasn't enjoying it at all. Nothing happened. Danny disagrees. He thinks it's a really good film. But to me, the plot within the first 10 minutes was the same an hour and a half later. Like, literally the plot was exactly the same. There's no development. What are you saying?
You're just wrong.
And that guy creeped me out.
Wait.
I have nightmares about him.
Yeah, he is creepy.
I know this video is kind of short, but I've been trying my best to get videos out. It's been a bit difficult in lockdown to film a lot, to be honest. I just haven't really been feeling like filming anything, and I just don't really know what to film, even, to be honest. But if you do have any requests, then I will try and film them. But I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed, then I'd really appreciate it if you did. I never say that.
Smash that like button.
I just hate, like, you know, the edit people when they're like, oh my god, like and subscribe. I just never have said that ever.
Maybe
But
that's why you're not cutting around in free Gucci slides from
maybe
Gucci.
that's why people don't subscribe, because I don't tell them to. But if someone told me to subscribe in a
doesn't
video,
say-
I'd be like,
The intelligence.
I'll subscribe
was
for
it
one.
Emma? He said someone was, the
What?
intelligence of the masses is small. Something like
are you saying that these people aren't smart?
no, the masses. The intelligence of the masses is small.
What does that mean?
In order to like, get a point across, you have to repeat something simply and often.
Oh. So if I tell people to subscribe, they'll subscribe. Huh. Well,
Well,
if
keep
anyone wants to subscribe,
overnight.
if this video will go up and tomorrow 1 million subscribers, I'll be like, well, I would appreciate it if you did.
I wouldn't.
You are subscribed to me.
No. Steven Malik.
Oh yeah.
Subscribed.
If anyone ever sees any weird comments from someone named Steven Malik, it's Daddy.
Don't, the Steven and Malik's gonna have my boys.
I'm gonna go now. We're gonna go to bed. I'm really tired. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Do you want to say bye? Also, our bed is really good.
It's a bit salty.
And should I leave the rest of people? Nah, no one wants to speak. Okay, bye.